Hello everyone, welcome on this Clemoniak's Basics. Today, let's take a look at a simple paint scheme for any plant element, from leaves to grass. For today, let's focus on the grass using this modular table piece from Dungeon Block. But as I just mentioned, it would go the same way for any other plant element. Alright, let's paint. The scheme of today is pretty simple. Let's start with a base coat of deep green all over the grass section, which in this case is the wall pieces. And if you notice some visible print lines, that's because this time I printed my model in PLA. Then, once the base coat is settled, let's apply a dark green shade over it. A washes is perfect for this. Since the surface has a pronounced texture, it will flow nicely into the recesses and form a natural shadow. Just make sure to avoid any pulling of the wash. Now that the shade is dry, I'm going to dry brush some bright natural green on it. I'll dry brush it in straight motion to make sure I don't catch the recesses. Then, using the same motion, I'll dry brush a second lighter green to keep building the smooth and natural highlights. Just make sure to dry brush it more lightly this time. And last but not least, this is the step that gives the scheme its great look. I'm going to dry brush a bright yellow. It may not seem intuitive for everyone, but yes, this color will give the result a richer, deeper and more natural look. I'm applying this one in circular motion, with barely any paint on my brush. Here is how our grass looks in the end. I think it's perfect and very natural looking. And here are some other examples of where you can use this scheme. Like this base, which is just a simple mud texture painted with the same technique. Or these tree leaves. It's perfect if you're planning to paint a forest for your future project. But yes, it's more of a summer grass scheme, so maybe I'll cover the other season in some future video. Thanks a lot for watching this Clemoniak's Basics, and before leaving you, I just wanted to thank you all. We already hit the 300 subs in far less time than I expected. So yes, I really wanted to thank anyone who supports me. Well, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like, and feel free to drop a comment if you want. Alright, farewell everyone, it was Clemoniak and I see you next time.